Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup hotel style, full guide. Begin by choosing a clear vegetable stock, preferably homemade or low-sodium store-bought, and keep it hot. Prep vegetables uniformly so they cook evenly. Sauté aromatics briefly to bloom flavors, then simmer gently until tender but not mushy. Adjust seasoning gradually and add fresh herbs and a small splash of acid at the end to lift the final bowl. Choose a neutral oil like canola or light olive and include both root vegetables and softer veggies for balanced texture. Use a clear, hot stock as the base and add vegetables in stages based on cook time. Sauté aromatics briefly to release flavor, then simmer gently without boiling. Taste frequently and season conservatively, finishing with fresh herbs and a judicious splash of lemon or vinegar to brighten the soup. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: pick up Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after grocery runs and farmer market trips. It's a small joy that pairs well with kitchen adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Uniform vegetable cuts of about 1 inch help achieve consistent doneness and a refined hotel-style look. Maintain a low, steady simmer rather than a boil to keep the broth clear and vegetables intact. Skim surface foam early in cooking and stir gently to avoid breaking vegetables. If you prefer a silky texture, puree a portion and return it to the pot for body while keeping some whole pieces for contrast and presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.